Installing the Falcon sensor for Mac starts at the same place that it does for Windows or Linux, in the Falcon UI. In the Host app, open the sensor's download page, and in this instance, we want to download the latest Mac OS sensor. Also note your specific customer ID, as it will be needed during the install. There are multiple ways to install the Falcon sensor. Command line through a software deployment platform such as Jamf, or single host install. All demonstrate a single host install. The Falcon installer will guide the user through a few steps and is completed in less than a minute. After it's completed, we'll want to associate this system with our own organization's unique customer environment ID. To do this, open a terminal and using the license command, input your specific customer ID noted earlier from the Falcon UI. The Mac OS then prompts for additional permissions and requires approval to load in the security and privacy settings in the system preferences. To validate that the sensor has been installed, we navigate back to the Host app and can see a new host has recently been installed. Clicking on the specific host, we can get additional information such as IP address, agent ID, and even assigned policies. To test the connection between the newly installed host and the Falcon UI, CrowdStrike provides a few commands that will generate detections in the console after the agent has been properly installed. In the terminal window, type bash CrowdStrike_test_hi and hit enter. This will generate a detection with a severity level of high in the user interface, similar to an ICAR file. In the Falcon UI, we go to the New Detection section. As we filter the results for new detections in the last hour, we see our test detection. We now know that everything has been installed and the host is correctly communicating with the cloud. CrowdStrike's cloud-native platform and single-agent architecture get entire organizations up and running using only a fraction of the time required by other solutions.